Hello and welcome to the Friday market update. So here we go again. Our rates going higher. So mortgage rates jumped to over 6.5% today due to a strong BLS, Bureau of Labor Statistics jobs report that was much higher than expectations at 254,000 new jobs. The household survey, which is also part of this, was even higher than that. So in general, more jobs equals a better economy. A better economy can cause inflation. Mortgage rates move higher when there's inflation and good jobs. So while I've discussed this many times with the BLS, it has been very unreliable with downward revisions in jobs almost every single month. However, this one showed upward revisions for the last 2 months in the jobs. Who knows what's going on? But the unemployment rate also fell from 4.2% to 4.1%. Also a good sign for the economy. So how real is this? We don't know. But if we dig a little bit deeper into this report, we see a couple of interesting things. So the BLS household survey showed higher job creation than the headline number. But within this survey, almost 55% of the jobs that were created were for 16 to 19-year-olds. Probably not the highest paying jobs out there, and maybe some seasonals already starting to come into play. So also the average work week, the number of hours worked per week went down again as employers are just trying to hang on to employees, hoping things will turn around in 2025. They don't want to let them go because of all the training that they've done to get them up to speed. So personally, I'm still of the opinion that the economy is on the edge. Inflation has eaten away at everyone's paycheck and what they can buy. Consumers are still living on credit cards to supplement their purchases. So how long can this actually last? Will it come to fruition where they just can't get any more credit? So don't panic though. Mortgage rates will not drop in a straight line. They will still go down into 2025. And Wall Street, on a day like today, which was a bad day, likes to take advantage of volatility in the markets as some of the trading is technical based on finding profits. So rates had dropped pretty steadily for the past 4 months. So a bad day like today was absolutely inevitable. So also it's Friday, right? They want to go home, and Wall Street wants to go into the weekend covering all their positions and not be caught on the wrong side of the wall. So another interesting note leading into today's BLS report was Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's strong comments about the economy prior to the release of the BLS report earlier in the week. So this was in contrast to his previous comments. The question is, was he privy to the BLS jobs report prior to the release today? So maybe we should start listening to Fed Chairman Jerome Powell, because he probably knows a little bit more than we do. Now, on a real estate side, inventory keeps rising and offering more options for buyers. So good properties are still selling quickly. However, those listings that have sat a while are still providing seller-paid closing costs to get their house sold. So it's definitely a win for the buyer. So if the buyer is in the market, this is still an extremely good time to buy a home. More homes and maybe some seller incentives. So my opinion is buyer demand is strong, and buyers are waiting just to get through the election and then through the Christmas, Thanksgiving holidays. And then come January 1st, watch out. I think 2025 will be an incredible year for real estate. So as always, feel free to reach out to me directly to get your buyers pre-approved and educated so they can make the right decision for them. You can also send them to my calendar link where I will go through a free CIA, credit income asset analysis, so they know exactly where they stand now and what they need to do to get into a home down the road. So let's run their numbers. Hope you have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you next week. Gaylord out.